That's tuna. You want tuna? Okay.
I think that'd be it.
All right.
Oh, he's back to his old self. I love it. Now see, that's baby. Right there's baby. Not that other critter that was wild-eyed and crazy.
Oh yeah, right.
Well, I mean, Jerry,
Come on.
please.
Yeah, like everybody has a feet in the other hand.
Yeah, really, truly,
Get
Jerry.
Did he eat that or did he sit on the floor?
No, he ate it.
You're kidding.
I think
He's
he did.
inhaling it.
Oh. What a
Jeez.
scare.
Don't be a pig. You don't have to be a pig.
Boy, he's maybe hungry.
Okay, this is salmon. You want some salmon or do you want tuna? You want salmon? Salmon?
He's marking his territory.
Or do you want tuna?
He's doing, I don't know what he's doing.
Okay, which one do you want? Want some salmon this time? No?
Well, I think he wants that. Jerry, give him the salmon.
Maybe try some salmon.
Aren't those softer?
I don't know. One of them, the tuna, has soft centers.
Yeah, we gotta videotape that, man, and show it to everybody in my family. Like a videotape, babe.
Come here.
He was about ready to jump up to your hand. That would have been cool.
No, not right now.
All I know is me and baby could have
He'd catch
slept.
this and pull it up, and I'd be.
What?
He'd catch this all the way up.
God, shut up. Anyway.
And they know what a Scotsman is under his heel.
Okay, I heard that, Jack.
Yeah.
Anyway,
He don't care.
me and Babe woke
He
up.
eats them both.
Me and Babe woke up at about
All right.
9-something, and my phone was ringing, or maybe I dreamed the phone was ringing. All I know is baby, and I woke up and I'm like, you know what was in my head, Jerry? Where is Mount Rainier?
Washington, wherever.
Well, something in my head about Mount Rainier.
Yeah. Probably gonna blow.
It might be, Jerry, because I was like, now this is gonna freak you out.
It's not Rainier anymore.
Well, when I
Get it right. It's Denali.
Okay, well when I woke up, babe,
Or midweek.
and it was dark, I thought, what's going on, man? It's 9 in the morning and it's dark out like night. I thought, oh fuck, 3 days of darkness. And then I started, then Mount Rainier came in my head. And I don't even know why. I don't even know that place.
We could have 3 days of darkness if I was on Canal Street.
I'm just telling you, Jerry, there's something about Mount Rainier. Denali or whatever you're talking about.
I think it's